So from this question number 6 in this paper, first one is from recurring deposit. So banking topic. Mr. Mehra opened an RP account, so recurring deposit account in a Bank of India for 2 years 4 months. This you need to convert into months totally. The rate of interest is 8% per annum and bank pays him 7,369.60 on maturity. Find how much did he per month did he deposited. That is monthly installment we need to find out. So let's take the given data and we'll find out the monthly installment. So let monthly installment be P. Okay. You can take any letter. Monthly installment. So we need to find out. That is rupees P. Then time is given. So the time is 2 years 4 months. 2 years 4 months. 2 years is 24 plus 4, total 28 months. So there is, it will be N. So N is equals to 28. And rate of interest is given, that is R, the 8% per annum. Rate of interest always per annum only. Then interest paid. So simple interest formula in this recurring deposit. So we know that P into N into N plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. So remember this simple interest formula from this. Right. So using this we'll find out the simple interest first. Then maturity value is equal to simple interest plus the total investment. Here P is P itself, we don't know the value of P. Then let be asked is and N into N plus 1. So 28 into 29 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. So R is 8 by 100. So this is the simple interest. And maturity value. You see the maturity value is equals to simple interest. What are the interest we are getting plus total investment. So total N months. In N months, every month we spend rupees P. So N into P. Maturity value is equals to simple interest plus N into P. N is the number of months, P is the monthly installment. And according to the problem, this monthly installment is given. Maturity value is given. So maturity value is in this 7369.60. 7369.60. So 7369.60. This is given. And simple interest you can take this value, that is P into, you can cancel, okay, let it be P into 28 into 29 by 2 into 1 by 12 into 8 by 100 plus N into P again. So P value, we don't know P it is, N is 28. So P into 28. From this we can find out the value of the P. Let us take the P common. Take the P common and remaining values write and simplify. Right. That is 28 into 29 divided by 2 into 1 by 12 into 8 by 100 plus 28 because P is the common. From this you can cancel some values and finally you can find out the value of the P. So 2 ones, 2 14s are 28, right? And this is 6, 7. Wherever the possible you can cancel. 3, 4 and 4 ones are 4 25s is this. So afterwards the remaining you will write. Then from this P is equals to P into then 7 into 29 divided by 3 into 25 plus 28 by 1 let it be. That is 7369.60. Just take LCM in this side and you can simplify. So finally, this if you want more simplification. So P is equals to 7369.60 divided by this total value by taking LCM. That is 7 into 29 by 75 it is, plus 28 by 1. Just do simplification and finally calculate value. You get approximately the value of the p is 240. So just try to do calculations. So then monthly installment is equals to rupees 240. You simplify and cancel this. So 240 is a monthly installment. This is about this question. Now see the next one. A trader takes a sample of 50 eggs and weighs them. The following table gives his finding. Table is given 80 to 84, number of eggs is 2. 85 to 89 grams, number of eggs are 6. This is the table. Calculate mean weight nearest to grams using step deviation method. Step deviation method only should apply. So we need 5 columns, and this is given in inclusive case 80 to 84 and 85 to 89. So upper limit and next is lower limit is not same. This bound is not same. So we need to convert to exclusive case, exclusive class interval. Then we take the frequency using step deviation method. We need some 5 columns. Just everybody will see. So in this we should write the weight. Weight in grams. Let us take the given data. Weight in grams first, and we should convert this into exclusive class interval, and frequency is given. It will be fi, that is number of eggs is given, and we need to find out the mid value xi, then ui, deviation, then fi ua. So here weight in grams is 80 to 84. 80 to 84 and 85 to 89. Let's take this 90 to 94, 95 to 99, then 100 to 104. Okay, 105 to 109, then 110 to 140. This is the weight, and frequency is given. If you convert into exclusive case, you should 0.5 decrease and 0.5 increase for both. That means 79.5 to 84.5, because the difference is 1. 84 to 85 is only 1 is the difference. So half of the 1 is 0.5, increase and decrease. And 84.5 to next is 89.5. It's 90 now, 0.5 decrease, then 89.5 to 94.5. And 94.5 to 99.5. We try this all. This is 104.5, 5 to 109.5, and 109.5 to 114.5. This is the exclusive case. And number of x is given for each case is 2, 6, 12, 14, 10, 5, 1. This is the given table already. Now xi is mid value of this 79.5 to 84.5, mid value is 82. Okay, otherwise just add this both numbers and divide by 2. Even you can take this also. 80, 84 is 106, 164. 164 half divided by 2 is 82. Okay, similarly 87. Xi is the mid value of class interval. You can take either exclusive or inclusive, same answer will get. And next is 92. 5 increased because class size is 5. 92 again, 97, 102, 107 and 112, right? Then here is highest frequency. If you take 14, take 14 place is 0. So this is formula is xi minus xi. This is I'm assuming, so a value. So let it be a is this. Then xi minus a, that is 97 by 5 because class size is 5. If you apply, you get 0. Above is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You can take directly also, automatically you get same thing 1, 2, 3. Where you are assuming that place you can put 0 in UA. Then above is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Down is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. Then fi UA. So fi column and UA column you multiply. That is minus 6. Okay, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Next to minus 12, say minus 12, this is 0, 10 ones are 10, 5 twos are 10, 1 threes are 3. Right. Now using this table we need to find out. We should find out the n value. N is equals to sigma fi. If you add this total, you get 50, sum of this column. And sigma fi ua also. Add negative numbers and positive numbers, subtract, you get minus 7. Okay, negatives and add positives add separately. So already assumed mean is 97. So let assumed mean, we have taken A, that is 97. Already assumed. Then by using step deviation method, the mean formula, we are using these both values. Then mean is equals to A plus sigma fi ua by sigma fi into h. H is the class size, that is the 5. Class size is gap this 90 to 95, 95 to 100. The big gap is 5, right? Class size h. Substitute all these values. So A is 97, the sigma fi is minus 7 by 50 into class size is 5. We cancel this 5 ones are 5 tens are 97 minus 7 by 10. So 97 minus 0.7, that is 96.3. So nearest to grams is 96. Therefore mean weight is equals to 96 grams. That is nearest gram. So decimal point, if you remove the remaining, because 96.3, if it is more than 0.5, you can add the next number. So 96 grams. This is the formula you need to remember, and you should use the table. Right? This is about this question. And next one, here you see, an employer finds that if he increases his weekly wages of each worker by 3 rupees and employs one worker is less. In case if you increase the weekly wages 3 rupees, one worker should be less. And reduces weekly wages bill from 816 to 781. So taking original weekly wages be x. We only mentioned we should take x and obtain equation x and solve it by find the weekly wages of each worker. So let us take weekly wages of each worker present is rupees x and we will solve this problem. So to make you understand easily, I will make a table wise expense here. So let's take 3 columns by separating. We need 2 conditions. So now and after increasing, that means after. So if you observe weekly wage of each worker, each worker that is present is rupees x, but they increase 3 rupees, that means afterwards is rupees x plus 3. Okay, this is, and total bill also reduced. So present is 816, it's reduced to 781. So it's given question. Okay, and number of workers. So number of workers, actually the total bill by weekly wages, that is 816 by x. It is same 781 by x plus. But according to the problem condition, the one worker is less. That means difference of this number of workers should be 1. Right? This is a second question because bill also reduced only are taken. So if amount is increased, then one worker is less. So according to this question, then 816 by x minus 781 by x plus 3. This both difference should be equal to 1. This is from question or from condition. which is given. That's it. Now this value, this equation, if we solve, we will get the value of x. So by doing LCM, x into x plus 3, x 816 into x plus 3, just to multiply 816 into x plus 3 minus 781 into x is equals to 1. Take one terms other side by simplifying. So 816x plus 816 into 3 minus 781x is equals to x into x plus 3. Take other side. So by solving this, x square plus 3x, okay, this side, that is equals to 816 into 3, and this 816 minus 781 is 35x, right? Simplify more, then x square minus 35, take this side, minus 35 plus 3 is there, so minus 32x minus 816 into 3 is equal to 0. Then factorize the middle term, so x square minus 816 into 3, if you multiply, you can write 68x plus 36x minus 68 into 36 is equal to 0, because 816 into 3 is nothing but 68 into 36. By factorization, take x common, x minus 68 plus 36 common, x minus 68. So from this both, x minus 68 into x plus 36 is equal to 0. So from this, x is equals to 68 or x is equals to minus 36. Only x is 68 is correct, because this is the neglected negative, right? So therefore, weekly wage of each worker is rupees 68. The simple, only should make the equation is clearly first, then just will get the quadratic equation, that is solving only by factorization. So it's simple. So this is about this question. Now let us see the next problem, 7th in this paper, and we'll solve this sums.